For today's video we're gonna try the smoother Slowmo on Capcut. Using this pattern we're gonna see if the new Slowmo Capcut is more smoother or not. So first, watch me do the edit. If you want to recreate this, I have editorial of this months ago. Click the clip you want to be a Slowmo, select speed and adjust the speed to 0.1x. Click make it smoother, then let's try first the faster process. Then don't forget to click check to generate it. Let me finalize it before I show you the results. Here's the result of the faster process. Export it cause I'm gonna compare all of it later. Now go back, then let's try the other one. Here's the results, which is better.